How to download and install Euro Truck Simulator on your PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to download and install Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your device. For that, you are going to have to install Steam on your device first. You can do it from your web browser. Once you have your Steam, open it up and make sure you're logged into your account. You can find the search icon here at the top. Now, basically, all you need to do is just search for Euro Truck Simulator. You'll find this right here. Click on it. As you can see, you're getting a very heavy discount and different offers over here. Now, you can also try a demo over here and download it. Actually, you just go ahead and select which version you want. So I'll just scroll down here and buy Euro Truck Simulator 2. Add this to cart. And you can just click on view my cart from here. Click on continue to payment. Select your payment method from here. I'll just select Visa or MasterCard. Then enter your card details like your card number, your expiration date. Then add your billing information with all of your details. Scroll down and tap on continue. Once everything is filled out, you should find your application purchase and it will be available on your library. If you go here, it should list out all of the games that you've purchased. Now you can just install it and play it over here. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.